I'ma head out then.
Wow. Yes, sir, man. Let me know what you're running here.
2 Def Bonce 3012Rs on 2 cab 22s at 1 ohm apiece on 45 ampere C-Max bank.
Yes, sir. Let's see what you got.
Go ahead.
Close them on up. Yep. It was cutting up last time, man.
Oh yeah.
I can feel it out coming through here. It's a whole lot better than last time. It's more battery power, right?
Oh, and a little bit, not by much. Another 15 amp hour.
Make a difference, though, on it. Yeah. That's where it's at right there, at a minute.
Yep.
Yeah, that's where it's at. I wish I had one. I said, well, if I had one in there, I might go all the way with it, but I'm kind of skeptical. So
yeah. I did this, and then I did all the deadener up through here, from the front to the back.
Keep all that flexing down.
Yeah.
You didn't have this up here first when I first got the demo, was it?
No.
It's roof.
Yeah, it was foam.
Is it a sunroof? Oh, you did have a sunroof?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's still there, but there's a piece of wood up against the glass.
Yeah.
And then I sealed it off. And then to really make sure, I kind of put deadener on top of the sunroof.
Yeah, just to make sure. Did it have like a little bracket to hold the whole thing or something?
Yeah, it had the sunroof track.
Yeah.
That went to about here. I took all that out.
And then made a way where you sealed the glass in there some kind of way.
Yeah, the glass is still there.
Okay. I was trying to find out how long it was gonna last you. I knew it was gonna last too long. I said, yeah, he ain't gonna do that too long. So.
No.
Yeah, man. Man, you got it looking good, man. I'll probably get another one tomorrow. You come back tomorrow, you said, right?
Oh, yeah. I'll be here tomorrow.
Man, let me know where I can find you at on social media.
I'm on TikTok at deadwise_TMH. And Facebook, you can find me at Curslow Harris.
You gonna start YouTube? You thinking about it?
I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about it.
Hey, you can do it, at least just do demos on your own thing. If nothing else, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, people will follow that, man. You know, you constantly doing upgrades, so it'll probably work out.
True.
Yes, sir. All right, be sure to go and follow and subscribe to them, guys. I appreciate it, man.
No problem.
Yeah, we'll see you again tomorrow, man.
See you tomorrow, man.
Yes, sir.
Now we're about to get out of here and head to Kipback Jack's.
Yeah, I think I'm running. Yeah, it's still wrong.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so I appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.